This is the most common reason why a man will cheat. Even if you're with the nicest, the best guy ever, every man has it in him to cheat. We forget about one very important thing. A man meets you and falls for you because of your looks. And if you like him too, then subconsciously you play a role of this amazing potential girlfriend because you want him to choose you. You make an effort to look good whenever you meet him. And you, by taking care of yourself, you show him that you respect yourself, and that is something that he admires in you. But the truth is that most women in a long-term relationship become sloppy with their appearance. Because for a woman, the most important thing is to feel safe in a relationship. And once she feels safe, she believes that that man now has to accept her just the way she is. And basically literally showing him that she only makes an effort when she has to go out into the world. But when she's with him, her most important person, she doesn't make any effort anymore. But once he sees that you let go of taking care of yourself, you start to eat muesli from a box, you walk around in the house with dirty loungewear, he loses his interest. And I know this is hard to hear, but if you want to be in a long-term relationship with a man who won't wander off with some other girl, you will always have to take care of your appearance, because he wants to be with that woman he signed up for in the beginning, and not with a woman who stopped to care about herself, because to him that means that she also stopped to care about what he thinks about her. This is the one thing a man will do for you when he really wants to be with you. Of course he will spend time with you, and he will take you on dates, and he will buy you little presents, but all those actions are just the surface of what his intentions actually are. His main goal is to make you feel safe with him, because every man knows that even if a woman is not 100% sure yet if she really wants to be with him, when she starts to feel safe and protected by him, she will slowly fall for him. And what men nowadays do is they send good morning texts, they send good night texts, because they know that this is exactly how a woman feels safe and protected. And when he listens to your problems and he's trying to find a solution for you, that is how you know that he cares for you. And the other thing that he will do to try and make you feel safe is when he says that he will do something, he will actually do it. He will remember little details about your life, because he knows very well that when you feel seen and heard by him, you will start to see him as your personal hero. So now we've learned that a man who really wants you will always try to make you feel safe. But you can also easily see when a man doesn't want you, because that man will always make you feel confused. If he doesn't call or text the day after you've had a first date with him, next. If he asks you to split the bill on date night, next. If he says he has to cancel a date because he's busy, but he doesn't immediately reschedule, obviously next. If he tells you he's not looking for anything serious right now, but he really likes you and he would love to date you, next. If he doesn't offer to get you home safely after a date, next. If he complains to you about dating and that it's so difficult nowadays to find a good woman because all women are just after a man's money, next. If he gets angry with you because you didn't reply to his text message immediately, next. If you've planned a trip together and he's not offering to pay your part of the trip, next. If he complains to you about his ex-girlfriends or ex-wives, obviously next.